baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh.
Hey you guys, it's your girl Lady T. Starting off with some Christmas wreaths. I have everything I use is from the Dollar Tree. This is some blue mesh that I'm just like sifting through the little Christmas wire wreaths that they have at the Dollar Tree. So let's go, you guys. This is a light pink mesh that I'm just sifting through also with the blue. Let's add some Christmas ornaments, y'all. I added a blue glitter bow, something fun for the kids with the kid ornaments. I hope you liked it. Leave me some comments down below if you try it. And yeah, hit the like button and that subscribe button. It's your girl Lady T. Until the next time, happy Vlogmas. Peace.
Nothing compares making our Christmas memories.